This is an example of a strange rattle when shaking the mic. To disassemble CMIT mic, you will need Torx number 6 driver. I made a tool for removing the C-clips from old pliers. That's how I took it apart. There's one more retain clip that holds the mesh tube inside the body. General cleaning and being very careful with the diaphragm. It's very important that the copper strip on the ring with serial number touches the tiny springy golden wire that comes out of the capsule side slot. Now putting everything back in reverse order. I've seen two main causes of rattle. Black plastic cup gets a little loose and I just put a tiny amount of gel superglue to stop it from moving. The second one is in the top part of the mic. It's a metal mesh sound tube that holds in place by two metal clips and two foam spacers. When the foam starts to disintegrate, clips bang on the sides, producing metal cling sounds. It's strange to me that Schoeps didn't come up with a better solution for mounting of the internal sound tube. So in case like this, I make my own foam rings, trim them to the right side, and the noise disappears.